After months of anticipation, the DJI Mini 5 has finally landed. Small, powerful, and packed with features we've never seen in a drone this size. And yes, for the most part, those leaks we've all been talking about were spot on. Let's take a look. Welcome back to the Drone Sales UK channel. I'm Josh, and today we're diving into the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro. Straight out the box, the Mini 5 Pro looks familiar, but don't let that fool you. DJI has kept the compact, foldable design we all know, but the body does look slightly larger and sturdier compared to the Mini 4 Pro. That's because inside it's a completely different beast of a drone. Still one of the easiest drones to throw in your bag, but now built to deliver at an even more pro level. The headline upgrade is the new 1-inch CMOS sensor. The Mini 4 Pro had a 1 1/3 inch sensor already. Impressive, but this larger chip means more light, more detail, and more dynamic range. In real flights, that means richer sunrises, cleaner night shots, and more detail in shadows. You're also getting 4K at 120 frames per second. That's buttery smooth slow-mo in a mini drone for the first time. Add 10-bit colour and up to 14 stops of dynamic range, this gives you serious flexibility and post-production. Whether it's cinematic work or holiday edits, it's a big leap forward from last year. But it's not just about raw quality. DJI has refined the creative tools too. The new 48mm medium telephoto mode adds depth to portraits and landscapes. Vertical shooting makes TikToks and Instagram Reels easier than ever. And master shots and quick shots are back. Smoother, smarter, and more creative. Now let's talk safety. The Mini 4 Pro made headlines with its omnidirectional obstacle sensing, but the Mini 5 Pro takes it further, with true omni-sensing powered by forward-facing LiDAR. That means safer flights after dark and in tight or tricky spaces. Active Track 360 has also been upgraded. Subjects stay locked in frame even in busy or cluttered environments. And the new return to home options, including night return to home, keep your drone safe. Battery life has had a boost too. Up to 36 minutes with the standard battery, or up to 51 minutes with the Plus battery. That's way longer than the Mini 4 Pro, and ahead of most drones at this weight and class. This means more time in the air and more chances to nail those perfect shots. DJI has also launched a full set of brand new accessories, including ND filters, charging hubs, and an upgraded RC controller with the brighter screen, perfect for flying in really bright conditions. And for bundles, you've got your standard edition, your Fly More combo, but also, exclusive to Drone Sales UK, the new Adventure combo. This was built by us for pilots who want maximum flight time and all the extras. It's the all-in-one kit you won't find anywhere else at the best price tag. So if you want one, the link is down below in the description. So who's the Mini 5 Pro actually built for? If you're just starting out, it's light enough to fly with fewer restrictions. And if you're upgrading from the Mini 4 Pro or any other mini series, the new sensor, obstacle avoidance, and flight time may be worth it. And if you're a seasoned creator, this could be the compact drone that finally ticks all the boxes. So what do you think of the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro? Were the leaks enough to get you excited, or is this the upgrade you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you're ready to get one, head over to dronesales.co.uk where you'll find the standard drone, Fly More combo, and our exclusive Adventure combo, available only through us. But from all of us here at Drone Sales, thank you for watching and fly safe.